actually. It helped me make this, which is nice. So these creatures were taken over the planet called Earth, and some of the aliens are friendly, some of them are not friendly. So Fog decided to destroy them except the friendly ones, and decided to have some magical powers. She doesn't have any parents, and like he decided to put some glasses on so that no one can recognize that it's Fog, and put on some cool t-shirts on him, and decided to go save the world with just a hammer.
I want to share my artwork with you. I copied the book cover from the Loki book. I think it's really nice because Loki is a god of mischief, and he got banished from by Odin, and now he's stuck on Earth. And it was really challenging to do it, but I managed to finish it and added lots of details.
We made a telephone script about why Loki got sent down to Earth. Loki is a god who was being bad and got sent down to us to learn a lesson. In this script, Loki doesn't know why he got sent down to Earth, and Mark explains why and reminds him and gives him a way of how to redeem his ways and go back to heaven.
I made this as a book cover for my short story that I made for the 500 word challenge, and it's all about nature and stopping pollution.
What have you written there on your tree?
I wrote our planet is a living being just like us.
So what I have done basically here is I've done a daily life of how a hunter is going. So I've done like a life story about it. So I've basically done about like creatures, fantastic, like so much about creatures and stuff. This reminded me of a book. It reminded me of Harry Potter because it has like monsters, and basically in Harry Potter they have like these creatures as well.
So this is a book that you've created yourself?
Basically, it reminded me of Harry Potter because it contains like magic stuff, because creatures are created like basically like a city that's getting invaded by monsters, and that's it for me because I like what I like.